Hello everyone. I updated a new version of Premiere Pro, but I meet a problem. Now I change the scale to 100%. I cannot move the screen. There is no scroll bar. How to move the screen? Move the mouse here. Scroll. Now we can edit the region. Scroll the mouse. Then move the mouse to here. Scroll it. Now we can edit the region. Scroll the mouse. Move the mouse here, then scroll. There is another solution. We can use the hand tool. Now we can move the screen. Try to add a mask here. Change it to selection tool. Blur. I feel the new version of Premiere Pro is not convenient. No scroll bar is not convenient. Thank you for watching.